Want to start a faceless YouTube channel but hate being on camera? Imagine making videos, growing an audience, and even earning money without ever showing your face. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you a step method to create a faceless YouTube channel from scratch in 2026. Even if you've never made a video before, by the end of this video, you know exactly what to do to start, grow, and stand out.
Now, to create your faceless YouTube channel, the first thing you are going to do is to create an email account. So to create your email account, you're just going to go to your Gmail. So once you get to your Gmail, you are going to click on Google. So once you click on Google, it's going to take you to this place. Now they are going to, so once you put in the password of your device, you're just going to allow it to load. Now it's going to bring you to this interface. So first thing, they will tell you if you have an email account that you want to use for someone that already has email account. So because we are creating this from scratch, we are going to click on create account. Like we are creating it from scratch, we don't have any email account. So we are going to come to for personal use. So click on for personal use. Now you are just going to enter your name, any name of your choice. Just enter your name. So now let's just say my name is Deborah. So this last name is optional. Just click on next. Now once you click on next, you are going to enter your date of birth. So the month, you are going to enter the month. So you're going to enter the year. This one is the month, the day, then the year. Now you're going to enter the gender, either you are a female or you are a male. So you put in female or male, anyone. So I put in female, then I'm going to move over to next. I'm going to come to this down part and click on next. So click on next. It's going to take you to the next page. Now once you get to the next page, you are going to put in the name that you want to use for this email. So let's I just want to use Deborah at gmail.com. Note that I might not even use this account, so I'm just using this account for this tutorial. So I'll just say, let me just say Deborah at gmail.com. Let's see if they are going to accept it. This username isn't allowed. Try again. So let me just change it to something else. Once you put in the name, then you are going to put in your password. So I'll just put in my password off screen record. Now this is the email account that we just created. Now we are going to go over to next. Then you're going to click on, you need to go through these settings, make a single choice that applies to all settings. Click on next. Now you're just going to read all these things, then go down and click on accept all. Now once you click on accept all, now you go down to this place and click on confirm. Now once you click on confirm, you're going to scroll down, study this policy, privacy and terms. Now once you are done reading it, just come over here and click on I agree. Click on I agree. Now you can see that it's loading. Now you can see we just created our email account, which is the first thing and the most important thing you need to have before you can have a YouTube channel. Now we are going to go over to create our YouTube channel. Now once you get to YouTube, you're just going to come to this place. So you're going to click on that part. Now once you click on it, you're going to see the email that you created, the account. So you are going to click on that account. Now because I had different accounts, that was why it was looking like this. So once you come to this account, it's going to look like this. Like it's going to be looking very fresh, like nothing is here because you just created a new channel. Now yours is going to have this interface. It's going to look this empty because it's a fresh account. So now you will just come over to this place. You will just come over to this place where they wrote you. Click on that part. Now you will see. So now this is your account, but you don't have a YouTube channel yet. So you have a YouTube account, but you don't have a YouTube channel yet because you have not yet created a YouTube channel. Now you are going to come to this part where they wrote create a channel. Then you will click on create a channel. Now once you click on create a channel, you are just going to put in a picture. Don't forget that we are creating a faceless YouTube channel, so we are not going to be adding our picture to it. So we already have a picture that we created for. Okay, let me just also teach you how you can create a picture because we are doing it from scratch. So let's just go over and create a picture for our channel. Now we'll come over to this app called ChatGPT. Now we'll tell ChatGPT, I'll just give ChatGPT. Now we say I just created a faceless YouTube channel. Give me a picture prompt for the profile picture. The channel is a Bible prayer faceless channel. So I'll just wait for you to generate a prompt for me. So I'm just going to copy this prompt, then I'm going to use it to create the image that we are going to use. Now just come over to this app called Gemini. I'm just going to paste that prompt and let it generate an image for us. Now this is the image that Gemini generated for us. So we are just going to click on the image, then click on save. Now we are going to go back to YouTube. And once we get to YouTube, we're just going to put in the picture that we just created. And we're just going to click on save as profile picture. So you are going to let it load. As you can see, it's loading now. This is the profile picture here. Now the next thing is, what is the name of your handle? So I can just put in, don't forget that it must be related to what the channel is all about. Like this faceless channel is going to be a Bible prayer faceless channel, so it's going to be related to that. Now because we are new and we don't know the name that we will use, so we'll go back to ChatGPT and take ChatGPT to suggest a handle name for this channel. Now I said suggest a handle name for this channel. I'm just going to send that, then let's wait for ChatGPT to give us a name. Now said at daily prayer light, so it just gave me a lot of suggestions. I'm just going to tell it to choose the best for me. Choose the best. Now see what ChatGPT choose for me. Daily prayer light. So I'm just going to copy it, then I'll go back to my YouTube channel. Once I get here, I'm just going to paste it. Now YouTube said the handle is not available, so see the one that is available. So I'll just click on it. This is the one that is available, daily prayer light arrow 5G. So I'm just going to save that. Click on save. Now this name, I'm also going to change it to the same name. So I'll just click on paste, then click on save. Now the next thing is to click on create channel. So this is the beginning. Once we are done with this, don't forget this is the first part where we'll be creating the channel. The second part is when we'll be setting up the channel. So we are just creating the channel. So this is the first part. So now let's create the channel. Now you see channel created. So we just successfully created a faceless YouTube channel. Now you see this is our channel. Now we don't have videos yet. If you have videos, they are going to appear here. Now you can also edit your channel from here. You can edit your channel. Anything you want to edit, you can do it here. Then you can click on create to upload any video. But now, to fully optimize your faceless YouTube channel, you cannot do it from here. So you are going to be doing it from browser, which is either Chrome or any browser that you are using. So we are going to go over to our browser now. Now once you get to your browser, you're going to type on youtube.com/dashboard, youtube.com/dashboard. So you can use that, or you just click on or you just search on studio.youtube.com. Either you search on youtube.com/dashboard or you search on studio.youtube.com. It's the same thing, so it's going to take you to your YouTube studio. Now you are going to see something like this. Welcome to YouTube studio. YouTube has personalized insights, the latest news and insider. So just click on continue. Now this part is very important. So we are here to set up and optimize our YouTube our channel account, YouTube channel account. So we are just here to set it up. So if you don't optimize it, you might not be getting views from your YouTube videos. That's why you notice that some persons will have YouTube accounts, they will not be getting YouTube channel, they will not be getting views. That's because they did not optimize their account. So now what we are going to do is to first of all come over to this place. So this part is just empty because we don't have videos yet. So once you have a video, it's going to show here. So come to this place, this ending part where they wrote settings, like here you will see settings. Click on settings. Now this is called general setting. That's your currency, so just leave it on USD, US dollar. So just leave that one. Then the next one is the channel. So this channel is what we are going to set up now first. Now just click on channel. Now once you click on channel, you click on country of residence. So just click on, you are going to select that. So once you select that, you are going to look for your country. I'm in Nigeria. Oh, I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to select Nigeria. Now we are going to put in our keywords. Now this is to make sure that YouTube is able to suggest your videos to the right people. Now for the Faceless Bible prayer channel, we are going to be putting keywords that are related to it, so that YouTube will know the people that they should suggest our videos to. So now I'm just going to write prayer, pray, gospel, GPT to do this. So let's just go over to the next one. Once we are done with this, go over to advanced settings. Now do you want to set your channel as made for kids? Just click on no, because this channel is not for kids. It doesn't have anything to do with them. Now this one is automatic caption. Don't show potentially inappropriate words. What this means is that you know that you can say things now, and maybe there are some words in your videos that it might not be what you were saying. It might show inappropriate words in your caption, so it should not show it. You just click on it. Click on that. Now come to this one is automatic dubbing. Enable it. So this automatic dubbing, it will, let's say your video gets to people that are not using, let me just say they are not speaking English, or they don't understand English, so you're just going to translate it to automatically translate it to their language. So you just click on allow automatic dubbing. Now once you are done with that, come to this one, allow viewers to click my content. All these ones, they are okay. Let YouTube enhance visuals. So once you are done with this, come to this one that says feature eligibility. Now you click on this one, is already set. Make sure you enable all of this one. So you need to verify your phone number for this one. Now once you verify your phone number, I'm not doing that yet. This one is just for you to put in. They want to verify you either with email, or either with your ID or a video of you. So once you are done, just come to this place and make sure you click on save. If you don't click on save, it's not going to save. Nothing here is going to save. Like, it will just look as if you did not do any work. So click on save. Now the next thing you are going to do is to click on upload default. So once you click on upload default, you are going to come to this part. So I'm not going to be putting anything here, so I will just come to this place, this visibility. I'll click on unlisted. So I normally put my own on unlisted, so that each time I post video, it will not just publish automatically. So it's going to allow me It's going to allow me maybe make some edits that I want to do on the video before it will be published. So I don't normally click on public. Now you can add tags. So you can just add tags. You can use ChatGPT to add tags. So let's just say prayer, powerful prayer, Psalm 91, Psalm 23, morning prayer, sleeping prayer, or let me just say sleep prayer. Now I'm done with this. I'm just going to move over to the next one, which is the advanced settings. Click on advanced settings. Now this is standard YouTube license. We are not doing anything there. Now the next one is video language. So we are going to look for English. We're going to look for English. So I will just click on English United States. That's what I normally use for my Faceless channel. Now English United States, then title and description also English United States. Why I'm using English United States is that my Faceless channel, the voiceovers are mainly English United States, so that's why I'm using it. It's very, very important. Now we are going to go to the next one, which is the category. This is very, very important. Now you see the category. Is it auto and vehicle? Is it comedy? Is it education? Is it entertainment? Is it film and animation? So depending on the Faceless channel that you are going into, let's say for instance you want to go into folk tales animation, you can just use this film and animation. So if you want to go into let's say this particular channel that we are going to be using, Bible prayer, so you can use people and blogs. So I normally use people and blogs. So depending on the niche that you are going into, if you are not sure of the category, make sure you use ChatGPT to check for the category, so that they will not start showing your videos to people that are not interested in your niche. So I'm going to pick people and blog. Now this is just it. Now this last part is, you can either decide to turn it off or leave it. Show how many viewers like this video. If you don't want people to know how many viewers like your video, you can just decide to turn it off, because you are still a small YouTube channel. You can just decide to turn it off. Now once you are done, don't forget to click on save. So you click on save to make sure that everything you have just done, it has saved to your studio. Now once you are done setting up, you can just decide to post a very maybe like a short, maybe like a 30-second short. You can just decide to post it, and note that you must not continue posting just shorts. You should not post more than 2 shorts before you post. At least start posting your long form video, so that you don't destroy your channel with short. So make sure you start posting every day, like be consistent with your Faceless channel, so that your channel can grow fast. Start posting every day, like every day start posting. Make sure you at least drop at least 1 video in a day.
If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in my next one.